Your camper shocks you because you park too close to high-voltage power lines, causing it to become electrified. When this happens, you will feel a tingling sensation when you touch the metal body. To prevent this, park at least 8 feet away from the power lines and ensure the grounding wire is correctly attached. Another reason for the shock is using a damaged extension cord, which can cause electrification if the ground pin is broken. Replacing the cord and checking if the camper still shocks you can help determine if there is a grounding issue. Proper grounding directs excess currents into the ground, but if the camper is not well grounded, you will get electrocuted when touching metal components. You may also notice the breaker tripping frequently and the lights dimming. If you suspect a grounding issue, it is recommended to consult an electrician to resolve the problem. Adding a ground rod is not a solution unless it is bonded to the neutral bus of your service panel.